Welcome back to Pig and Beef. What we're doing today is some chicken drumsticks. Really good if you're just wanting a quick appetizer. Doesn't take very long. Really affordable. So really easy. So we've got about 8 chicken drumsticks here. What I'm going to do is first put some olive oil, coat them in olive oil. Then I'm going to put some Blues Hog barbecue rub on there. You can use your favorite rub. This is a nice sweet rub. Goes well with chicken. And then we're going to use this rack to hang them on. We're going to smoke them in our Traeger Junior grill. It's only going to take about an hour, but like I said, just real easy, quick meal. So we'll go ahead and get started. We're about 30 minutes into the cook here. They're already starting to get some nice color. You see that rub, which is kind of a dark red rub. It's really helping these darken up really quick. But we're gonna put some butter on there. That's gonna help the skin crisp up too. So we've got some melted butter. We're just gonna baste that on there. Okay, these are really, we're just finishing them up by dipping them in some barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite sauce. We're just gonna dip them in. They've already come to temperature, and leave them back on for another 5 minutes or so, and then we'll pull them back off.